Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to issue a refund to a client in Wave, whether they're overpaid or you're processing a return. So let's get started. First, log into your Wave account and go to the sales section from the left hand menu. There you're going to click on invoices and find and open the invoice related to the payment that you want to refund. Now, refunds in Wave are a bit manual, but don't worry, it's pretty simple. Once the invoice is open, scroll down to the payment section, take note of the payment amount and method, and then you want to head to the transactions page under the accounting section. There you locate the transaction for that payment. You can also use filter to narrow by date, amount, or customer name. Once you found it, click on it and hit refund, or manually create a new transaction to reflect the refund. And here's how to do that. All you got to do is click add income or expenses and then choose expense. And next you're going to enter the amount that you're refunding. And for the category, select refunds given or a similar category. Just add a description, choose the customer, and then hit save. This will record the refund in your books. If the original payment was made via Wave Payments, the refund will also be processed to the customer's card or account automatically if eligible. Always double check with your payment processor to ensure that the refund was issued. And yeah, that's it. Your refund is now recorded. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. Next, I'm going to show you how to manage outstanding invoices in Wave. So please stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. I'll see you guys in the next one.